Thank you for choosing the Exanta AI WooCommerce plugin. Exanta AI is a WooCommerce plugin that lets store owners ask questions about their store in plain English and get instant answers, charts, and insights. No SQL or technical skills required. Just ask a question like, "What are my top sellers this month?" and get the chart, the numbers, and the SQL behind it instantly. To get started, head over to Exanta AI. Once on the site, click Login or Register, then select Register. Enter your name, email, and a secure password, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Create Account. Next, click Go to Download, then click the link to download the latest version of the plugin. The file will appear in your Downloads folder. Now switch over to your WooCommerce store. From your WordPress admin, click Plugins, then Add Plugin. Click Upload Plugin, choose the zip file you just downloaded, and click Install Now. Installation usually takes a few seconds. Once it's done, click Activate. You'll now see the plugin in your list of installed plugins, and a new Exanta Analytics item in the menu on the left. Click that menu item, then select Exanta Analytics. You'll be taken to the plugin login screen. The username and password are the same ones you used when registering on the website. Enter your details and click Sign In. If this is your first time signing in, you'll be taken to the Settings page. Here, you'll complete a one-time process that allows Exanta Analytics to build a map of your WooCommerce database structure. To be clear, in this step, we only examine the structure of your database. We do not view or modify any of your actual data. Enter a short sentence describing what your store does or sells, then click Analyze Database Structure. This process can take up to 5 minutes, though it's usually done in under 1. When it finishes, you'll see a short summary of what your WooCommerce database looks like. This will give you an understanding of how your database is structured and give Exanta AI a reference to construct database queries that will answer your questions. That's it. You are now ready to start asking Exanta AI questions about your WooCommerce store performance and get answers instantly. Thank you for choosing the Exanta AI WooCommerce plugin.